Hi, welcome to this video today. It's the 1st of August, it's Saturday. We're just going to be looking at three what we consider to be really good risk to reward trade setups shaping up. Now, in terms of the three trade setups, they all contain the Swedish krona. A less looked at there, but you probably got it on your trading platform. Why are we so interested in the Swedish krona? Well, over the last month, it's been the strongest currency. It's had a really big move to the upside. Speculators are heavily bullish of it, and we think it's going to have a significant reversal. Now, in terms of USD, worst performing currency over the last month. In fact, it's had its worst month in 10 years. So we're going to be looking at the most overbought currency in the last month to be the most oversold. We think USD SEK looks a great trade setup shaping up. We're also going to be looking at, I said GBP SEK. That's already confirmed a bottom in our view and is going significantly higher. And finally, we're going to look at Euro SEK, which is just getting ready to confirm a reversal as well in our view. Now, in terms of the charts, we'll go and take a look at them right now, but just please do keep in mind, it is my view as of this specific moment in time. It can, of course, change in line with the market conditions and action. If you want all our trading techniques, our daily technical sentiment analysis of 14 Forex pairs, just click on the link beneath this video. You get live access to our member centre. You can also follow us on Facebook and join our Facebook group. Now, the first pair we will do will be USD SEK. All right, USD SEK daily chart, and just in the last 3 months alone, the USD has fallen 14%. It's been falling for more than 3 months. Check out that for a decline. Just big decline there, little rally, and then a real sell-off to the downside. Friday got a blue candle, but dollar being under big pressure. We now think the dollar will have a significant short covering rally. We've got a bearish extreme, and before I draw my levels, let's look at the fundamentals and sentiment. Now, Sweden did not lock its economy down. I'm sure most people know that, which means a lot of their data has not been too bad. Retail sales, for example, recently were decent. They're looking forward now to a GDP number being decent. Economists are forecasting GDP to go down by just 8% quarter on quarter. Well, 8% might sound bad. You can look at Eurozone, well over 12%. US was 32%. This number is a bit optimistic in our view, but even if it does come in as expected, it's priced in. Sweden, yes, they did avoid the big lockdown, but they were still, or as a country, still very exposed to countries that did lock down. So exports will suffer. If it comes in as expected, it's no big deal. Comes in a little bit worse, that would help our bullish case. Obviously, traders have sold the USD on the SEK because they believe the EU economy, and Germany in particular, to do well going forward due to fiscal stimulus, the rescue fund, etc. I personally don't think the EU is going to do that well going forward. The rescue fund just simply isn't big enough. It doesn't even come into effect quickly either. So I think market too optimistic. Obviously, Sweden heavily exposed to Germany and the EU. In terms of 15 banks we checked, half them Nordic banks, Scandinavian banks, and half just general banks that give views on the Swedish krona. 12 are looking for significant gains. Okay. 3 for consolidation, then significant gains. No one looking for the Swedish krona to fall. So that kind of indicates a bearish extreme in this pair. No one's seeing Swedish krona weakness. Now, USD, we know it's been soft on a dovish view of the Fed. Well, we had the Fed on Wednesday, and they were dovish, but that's now priced in. Okay. Also, the US economy to lag other major economies going forward. Again, I don't think that's strictly true, but again, that's priced in. So, Swedish krona's got a lot of bullish news priced in, dollar bearish news. So we're looking for a reversal, and we think this candle might be it. I want to go to this third candle back here. This is the Fed candle, okay? And the market obviously was selling the dollar down. You had a little pause candle there. The Fed came red. Then we try and follow through the next day. We did try and rally first, but there's no big fall. Then you get that spike down and then a blue to the upside. So new daily low and finish quite firm. So I personally think the bad news is priced in. You've got those two bodies there as a double bottom. Okay. So let me just draw my level. In terms of where would you come into this one, you got body, 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 tail. There. So it's this red here, that tail you want to get through. Let's draw trajectory, but probably don't need it. Probably get the general idea. So we want to come through here. Stop should be behind the tail. Then we're looking for it to gravitate to the upside. How far could the dollar go? Well, it's so deeply oversold. I think it could target this level up here. Obviously, you'll manage the trade as it goes, but 950. Okay, so you've got well over a 4-to-1 in terms of risk to reward if this trade does run to target. And if we break the double trend line, 20-day moving average, we're always looking for this to break as well. So we want to see this level run. So if we broke up and we were uncomfortable with the trade, we could just freeze it out and come in the other side of the 20-day moving average. But the dollar so oversold. I think if we come through this level, we run the 20, go straight up to 950. And if I said it, or I'm not sure if I said it, but stop should be well clear of this tail. If you break higher, then you can obviously manage the stop. But next week, we are going to get significant movement in this pair, and I think it's going to be to the upside. Now, in terms of a pair where we've already gone in against the Swedish krona, is GBP SEK, and we're looking for this one to follow through strongly next week. So let's go and take a look at it. Right, GBP SEK daily, and you can see really big downtrend, but this 20-day moving average really holding rallies. Like here, you try and get above it and away from it, can't, down, battle to try and get through it here, can't, then down. And in terms of what we got down here, you get 4 really tiny candles, and we think that we're going to get a reversal. So you can see the level there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, and that blue pushes off. Okay. Now, in terms of coming into this trade fresh, we've already got a small trade in, and we're going to put another one in. Okay. Your stop doesn't need to be behind this level now, because this has moved up, in our view, the resistance to here. So basically, there's a trajectory. Got double trend line resistance. Double trend line support, I should say. So back behind this second blue, okay, you don't want to be right behind this double trend line, just behind the blue. Then the level to break is here. We're just coming to it. It's the 1150 level. We're 1151, okay. So you've got, nice blue to end the downside pressure. Then you've got the confirmation of the break of the 20-day moving averages. A nice clear break, unlike this one over here, let's say. Now we should gravitate to the upside. Where should we go to? Should go to 12. So small one in, and then we'll just add and look for follow through, stop back behind that level. Pound, for us, has been a major focus over the last few weeks. You look in the crosses, you'll see plenty of crosses where the pound has really started to firm up. It's oversold historically. If you want my view on the pound fundamentals, just check the video I did on the NZD last week. Going higher for us. Now let's look at our last pair, which is Euro SEK. Right, Euro SEK daily. Now in terms of the Euro and the SEK, they're obviously correlated together. And really big move down here. You do get a little rally here. We do get clear of the 20, but then down. Now we're coming back up to the 20. Now, for our perspective, the euro has been on a real tear to the upside, up to the 118 level. ECB will be very concerned of where the euro is. I think the euro could get a little bit higher, but I've got a feeling the euro will either chop around or go down. If that happens, the Swedish krona will go down faster than the euro. It's a proxy that's run too far ahead of the euro, and you can see after this fall here, you base, and you're just the 20-day moving average. You haven't got through it, okay? You're just on it. Just draw that there as a trajectory. So really, you want to come through the high. Okay, so basically you make a new high, then you can look for upside momentum. Where could we go to? I personally feel, obviously manage to trade as it goes, but we should run up towards the 1080 level. Yeah, if she doesn't break out, you don't need to do anything. You could either pick her up at a lower level or wait for another break of the 20-day moving average. But if we break up strongly and we clear the 1040, you could drop your stop behind that level there. Keep it back there for the time being, in my view. When we break, hopefully through 1040, then bring her up. Again, another decent risk to reward trade. It just shows how overbought Swedish krona is, because it's run too far on the euro. Overbought in the number of pairs. Actually, I've just picked out 3 of interest today. All decent looking risk to reward trades. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and have a good day.